Well, hey guys, I'm starting a new project today. Going to be giving my utility building a huge facelift, and also will eventually relocate it as well. So come on, check out the project. It's going to be really cool. So guys, this is my 12 by 12 storage building that I have. I've had it for years. It is kind of getting in rough shape and it just needs a big facelift. I'm going to be redoing a couple pieces on the sides, reworking some stuff, restaining, and I'm going to put go from the regular roof to a metal roof. So let's get busy. All right, so the first part of this project is cleaning out part of my shed so I can get to the areas I need to work at. So kind of a little bit in demo time here. So right now I'm taking out these shelves, opening up this area because I'm going to put a door right over here. So let's keep knocking out some demo. Safety message: always wear hearing protection, especially in an enclosed building like this, because this is going to make a lot of racket. I wished when I was younger I had have heeded the advice and did more hearing protection. I didn't. Waited way later in life to start doing this kind of stuff, and man, am I paying the price now. I've got ringing ears and I have a hard time hearing when I'm in a room with lots of other voices. And I wished I had have done hearing protection when I was younger. So please guys, especially if you're younger, you're around chainsaws, lawnmowers, weed eaters, wear hearing protection. It will make the biggest difference. Losing your hearing or having issues when you get older sucks. So anyway, off my box here, a preaching box, but just please wear your hearing protection. Okay, so the door has been relocated over to this side. This is by no means close to the finished product. I will take all this down. I'm going to redo all the trim pieces and I'll give you an idea and show you. I'm going to modernize the look a little bit. And let me show you. The doors will look like this when I'm done. I'll do new trim pieces, new hinges, and do this way of trimming. I think that's a much nicer look. So I'll take the trim work off, the sheeting off, and then I will frame up this section. And then I've got 3 new pieces. This is 12 foot. The pieces are 4 by 8. I'll have to cut them down to 7 foot. And then I'll put the new sheeting up. And if I can get all that done in an afternoon, I will consider this job well on the way. So let me get back busy. Well guys, I don't know about y'all, but I'm tired. I've been going hard all afternoon on this bad boy, but I am tickled with the progress. So just to do a quick walk around, I was able to get the opening done, moved to this side, and got the doors temporarily mounted. Again, these will come back down, and I will redo all of this trim work and restain and make this a whole lot nicer looking. And then I was able to get the skin redone now, and I got rid of the 2 windows. I do not want them. So I've still got the trim work to do, still got this to do. So the next afternoon I get time to do, or next weekend, I'll come in, I'll do my new fascia boards, I'll redo the trim work, I will take the doors down, redo all the trim on this, and get it prepared for staining. And then I'll have an afternoon of just doing staining. I'm gonna stain the whole thing. And then the big final redo on this is I'm gonna go from shingles to a metal, and I'm gonna do the same metal that is on my shed. And then this is gonna be relocated back over to the shed on the back field. It's actually gonna sit in line, perfectly in line with the my shed that I've been working on for the last year. So anyway guys, that's it for now. So thanks so much for watching. If you find these videos beneficial, please consider liking and subscribing and sharing with your friends. And as we always say with Project Next, there's always one more. So we will be back real soon with another addition to this series of redoing the utility building. So for now, you guys have a great week, and I will talk at you soon. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys later. Thanks.